Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Realis network token. Ticker symbol is LIS, L-I-S. This token just got listed today on a central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Realis network token. So this token just got listed today, February 23rd, on a central exchange called Hotbit Global. Now, if you don't have a Hotbit account and you're looking to get this token, I do have a Hotbit referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, how you get this token, you simply just go right through that Hotbit referral code down there in the description, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search LIS, which is the ticker symbol for this token, and then you simply just buy the token. Now, the cool thing about Hotbit is you can invest a lot of your tokens on Hotbit by putting them into 5 farm pools, lock up, stake them. There's all sorts of different ways that you can earn really high APY on Hotbit. So check out that Hotbit referral code down there. And yeah, let's get into this token. So if you want to find info, go to @Realis Network on Twitter. Over there, you'll see that they are a verified Twitter account, blue check mark. It says the platform for launching mobile games using blockchain for a mass audience. And they have a full, looks like a link tree. Oh no, there's a bunch of different links on here. Then they have their webpage, which is realis.network. They have 180,600 Twitter followers. So they're doing amazing. 1,514 tweets. They had a game that I actually played before. I'm trying to remember the name. Had cats. It was not Crypto Kitties. That's a different game. But yeah, I do remember downloading this app and playing this game. I believe I stopped playing it. I can't remember for what reason. I think I accidentally cashed in my tokens or something, and then I got frustrated. But yeah, but I do remember playing this game before. And I'll probably, or one of the games, there's probably Crypto Cats. That's what it's called. Yeah, so there's a game called Crypto Cats, and there's another one called Crypto Dragons. So it says, Realis is the world's first platform for launching mobile games using blockchain technology for a mass audience based on the NEAR protocol. Realis is a project that combines all the best ideas of the traditional gaming world with the integration of blockchain, DeFi, and NFT components. Our goal is to connect game economy with real world where users will be fully involved and become full owners of the platform and the games that they play. We strive to provide players with the most immersive and enjoyable gaming experience possible. So, their games here, Crypto Cats. So, Crypto Cats and Crypto Dragons are casual games in which users receive tokenized in-game currency for completing daily tasks, obtaining achievements, opening capsules, and spinning spins. The games are filled with characters and locations that refer to famous episodes of mythology, history, cinematography, games, etc. The player's goal is to explore the locations, uniting characters, increasing their level, and moving to the next island. Crypto Cats and Crypto Dragons are the foundation of the gaming ecosystem, where users use tokenized in-game currency, which is displayed of the player's achievements, which he or she can spend on unique game actions. Tasks always overlap with fulfillment of the main goal, so players will have exciting and meditative gameplay as rewards come in the form of in-game currency. So there's NFTs, so there's game assets. There's going to be like unique skins, Tournament tickets, limited edition items are on here. Creation of your own unique NFTs by combining 3 NFTs, loot boxes, and battle passes. So there's NFTs have 5 different types of rarity: unique, common, rare, epic, and legendary. NFTs have different slot value like head, body, left hand, right hand, rings. NFT things can be merged to create one thing. NFTs can change visual appearance, like you can add skins and that type of stuff. Then there's a marketplace. There's the Realis in-game marketplace where you can trade and stuff like that. So DAO as well. Merge Cats, Crypto Dragons, 3x3 MOBA, and all other Realis games will be community-driven via the list token. It will integrate a concept of a DAO to allow users to take their voting decision power into the games and control the future of the entire ecosystem. So there's another game on here, Legends of Listeria. And you could read about that game. So that's a totally different game on here as well. Then Roadmap is on here. So Merge Cats launched, Crypto Dragons launched, Realis founded, Legends of Listeria, open test launch, testnet blockchain launch, Legends of Listeria game beta test, blockchain open testnet substrate, testnet withdraws from our websites. They have a full CertiK audit, staking lists, testnet of the NFT marketplace, started the new game NFT battler, and mainnet withdraws. So those are all checked off on their roadmap, which means they've done all those things. And what's coming up next in the future is the NFT marketplace mainnet, NFT battler MVP, merge game launch, NFT battler beta version, new NFT battler launch. So those will all be coming in the future. Now they have some team information, lots of team members, because there's lots of game developers involved with all these games and everything. You can see all their team names on there. So their token, you can lock the token, earn rewards that way. You can use it in the game shop for hero upgrades, loot boxes, game items, NFT marketplace, payment transactions, staking. It's a governance token. All those things are, you can read more in depth about those on their light paper. And yeah, check this token out as of today on Hotbit Global. So you can get this token on Hotbit now. If you don't have a Hotbit account, like I said, check out that Hotbit referral code down there. Check out all the other referral codes as well. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their use cases are and their info. And leave a comment down below. What do you guys think about the Realis network and the list token? Do you think this is a good investment? Do you think they have cool games? Leave a comment. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.